If you're looking for a robot vacuum that feels premium without that crazy flagship price tag, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum H50 Pro is seriously impressive. First off, 15,000 paw suction power. That's insane. It pulls up pet hair, dust, and even stubborn dirt from carpets and tile grout on the first pass. What really stood out for me, though, is the extendable mop and side brush arms. Most robot vacuums miss corners and edges, but this thing actually reaches out and scrubs right into those awkward spots. The dock is basically hands-free. It auto-empties dust for up to 75 days, washes the mop pads with hot water, and dries them with hot air, so no gross smells or mold buildup. It's also smart with carpets. It detects them instantly, lifts the mops 10 millimeters, and boosts suction automatically. Now, a couple downsides. Turbo mode gets loud, there's no detergent dispenser, and the laser tower makes it a bit tall for low furniture. But overall, if your home has mixed floors and you want powerful, low-maintenance cleaning, the Xiaomi H50 Pro is absolutely worth your money in 2026. Definitely one of the best value robot vacuums out right now.